right, well, got the power supply mounted back in here. Kind of somewhat mounted some of the wiring and the switch here, the rear door switch, safety switch. Got the wiring here for that goes up to the speaker. This is the wiring harness for the PCB. Still got the wiring harness over here for the door, and then running up in here is the one for the service switch. So and we also went ahead and installed the clamps, the holes down the control panel. All right, well, next we'll put the monitor back in here and maybe mount the board, and let's take it one step at a time. All right, stay tuned.